I'm gonna shoot you.
Yeah. Jumpin', them boys up to something.
Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to my channel. This is Gallardo983 here. I hope you guys are having a great week this week, because I've been having an amazing one. Up over 500 bucks this week. Alright, so let's take a look at my trades today. So there's still about 8 minutes left in the market. It's 3:52 p.m. right now, Eastern time. So my first one was Facebook. That was from the chat room that I'm in with the Tradenet, and they called that out over 181.50, and then it went up and then it shook me out as it came down, and I try to play it consistently, basically trade like a robot. I have my stop loss, I have my profit target before I even get in a trade. So it shook me out and it went back up after, and I wasn't too worried. It was a small loss. I cut my losses on that one. But as I've been trading SVXY this week, almost 2-3 days this week, it's been amazing. So that was my swing call. I've been day trading it. I've just been abusing it so far. So I got in the morning at 132.24, and then if you take a look at my trades over here, I got out 132.62. What happened was it went up and then it came back down a little, and after that I stayed in because I saw the MACD going up, so it went back up, and then I sold as soon as I saw the MACD coming down. And I was like, I'm taking profits there, that's it. And I did. I sold it, and again I got in the short on that one at 132.50, and then I covered on that right here, 132.24. So that was a quick short at the end of the day. It was around 3:30 today, and yeah, that was it. So that was 2 longs on SVXY, 1 short, and Facebook was a loss. So that's 3 wins and 1 loss. So at the end of the day, recently I got an SVXY at 132.24, and I got out 132.62. So I've just been trading that consistently. I know the ins and outs of it. So basically just set up your MACD, and in the mornings before 10:30 use the 1-minute candles on the minutes, and after 10:30 I like to use the 5 minutes just so that's more accurate and it stabilizes. But the 1 minute will show you the curling like of these. The 5 minute will take a little, as MACD you gotta fine tune it, but I use the default, and this is the VWAP line. That's what I use, and it's been working out perfectly. And this is my total P&L for today. So I've been averaging about 50 to 70 per day on the day trading account, so that's been great. And if you saw my videos, I've been showing you my profits on that one, and combining that and Robinhood and my used stock trade account, up over 500 bucks today. So, or sorry, this week. So it's been a really good week, way above my profit goal. My profit goal last month was 100 per week. Now it's gonna be 200 per week, and in February I'm gonna make that about 300 per week, and just gonna be adding on and trying to do my best to stay on target for my goal. If it's a little above or a little below, that's fine. But so far I had 4 out of 4 winning days on my day trading platform, and SPY, the markets are just going up. I thought it would get rejected off here at 280, but it just started going up, and that's when I got an SVXY. I also took a Visa and I added on DHI. I didn't call that out on this, but I'd been calling it out the entire week, so I got in really quick and I added on these, so that's been pretty good. So I'm going to hold on to that next week. I believe earnings are 31st on the DHI, and Visa is just good long term. As you know, if you look at the weekly, it's a straight line up. So that's it, guys. It's been a really good week. I hope you guys have a great weekend. Study up on some charts, and I'll be back next week. Alright guys, take care. And if you haven't already subscribed, go ahead and click the subscribe button and the bell next to it to stay notified on my swing calls and my new videos. Alright guys, take care.